I was, but yeah. That's pretty funny, yeah, because now I have the demand for discovery too. Okay. Thank you, but I'll print it. All right. All right, bye. Yes.
Yeah, you can let someone know that you need to do something.
Oh, okay. Judge Oaken's office is Heather. Uh-huh. That's fine. Yeah, I can do February 17th. Is that good? All right, we do them in between 8:30 all the way to about 10:30. Any good choice for you? It would probably be about 10:10, but the notice will give you the exact time. All right, so I will send out notice for you in Miss Burke for February 17th at 10:10. Yeah, have a great day. can you go on Sling and see if you can see who? My Sling is showing me absolutely nothing. Nothing starts till February. So I know who my, oh. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, they changed the system. You're not allowed to print. You have to go to a totally shared system. Right. Hi, Attorney Adriana. Who are you here for?
I am standing in on behalf of John Freeman for Thomas Delago.
Okay. Did you need an adjournment or?
Yes.
Okay. You guys sent over a demand for discovery. There's not an order, so we're just going to file it and do nothing with it. Just put it in the file because there's no
Okay.
order for anybody to sign.
Okay.
We have adjournments we have January 26th, February 3rd, February 17th, whatever's best for you.
Okay, let me see. I'm just going to check.
Did you need to speak to the prosecutor? He's not here yet.
I mean, I can if he's fine with adjourning it. I mean.
Oh yeah, I can
Okay.
adjourn it.
Would it be in the morning on the 17th?
Yes, it would. All the way from 8:50 to 10:50.
Okay, could we schedule it later on? Would that be at 10:50? Okay.
10:50 is good for you?
Yeah, on February 17th.
Yep, February 17th. It's going to be the same login.
Okay.
I will adjourn it to February 17th at 10:50.
Okay.
And when the prosecutor gets on, I'll let him know.
Okay.
All right.
And I don't need to do anything further?
Nope, you're good.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Heather.
Yep. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.
Bye. Good morning, Angela. Good morning, Leanna. Leanna, are you our girl today?
Yeah, I am.
I looked on Sling and Sling is not showing anything until February. It was really weird. It's empty.
Really? My Sling had stuff on it. Let me double check it right now and see, because I know they changed the name to the regional office.
Okay, because I know I had Michelle double check and she couldn't find anything either.
Yeah, because it's called like the regional assigned office. No, I have a full schedule.
So is it not Sling anymore on?
No, it's still Sling. It's just changed from Romulus to regional, and it has Royce.
Oh, I see Teresa on there. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking right at it and mine is completely blank.
That's very strange. I'm
Yeah.
going into the office. I got the part-time attorney position with that office, so I'm Teresa's like attorney. I don't know what I am, the other attorney that's running the program, so I'll be helping her. And I'll be in the office over there this afternoon, so I'll see if maybe something's changed in the settings.
But I mean, if you can go on there and find it, unless, because like, do you just have like an app that you just click?
Yeah, I have the Sling application downloaded on my phone.
Well, because maybe go on your computer and bring up Sling like we would as an outside person.
Okay, let me try that.
Thank you. Good morning, James. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, so on Delgado, we received an appearance for Mr. Freeman and then a demand for discovery. We just adjourned that to February 17th.
Okay. That's no problem.
All right, I'm running a little behind here today. It's Leanna's fault.
It's always my fault. Heather, I have it open on my computer. At first, it didn't show me anything, but that's because it was just showing the available shifts. Are you clicking the tab at the top that says full schedule?
Sorry, yeah. Yeah, because there's dashboard, schedule, tasks, messages,
Yes.
and I'm on full schedule and it doesn't start till February.
That's strange. I'm on the computer right now and I click schedule, full schedule, and I have the entire lineup for January,
Oh,
February.
you know what? I just unclicked out of it and clicked back on and now I got it. All right, sorry.
You're
Thanks.
okay.
All
Yep.
right.
She might be stalking our website. every
Hi,
day.
Adriana.
Hi, Heather. Is there any way that we can change that date?
We sure can.
Okay, just a conflict with the client schedule.
Oh, okay. So January 26th or February 3rd. Files are all out there.
We'll do February 3rd.
February 3rd, again, 8:50 all the way to 10:50.
Okay, well, let me see John's schedule now.
James, this is on that Delgado case that I told you that we adjourned to February 17th.
Right.
So did you see a different time? I don't want to try and hash your last name. That's the only reason why I'm calling you Adriana. I'm sorry.
You can see, hey, listen, I don't get offended if it gets butchered at all. It's Picciarelli, but
Picciarelli. Okay,
I've been
thank
called
you.
worse, so it's okay.
Judge, we're adjourning Delgado's case. Thomas Delgado.
If you want to send me your email and chat, I'll forward you the report right now. I have
Okay.
the report.
So I'm work with John Freeman.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. I don't mean to be, oh gosh.
No.
Is there anything later than the 17th? Because John has
Yes.
an in-person exam on the 3rd,
Yep, I have in March 3rd.
March 3rd. Okay. I'm sorry to be so, I just don't want to have to bother you.
That's fine.
Good
If
morning,
it, I'm sorry, Judge.
I just said good morning.
Oh,
Good morning. Okay, now my,
Hey, Jim, did you see the email from the demand for discovery on this file?
I did, Judge. I was just about to forward her the report if they want
So we don't
additional,
need an order?
unless they want to get an order, if they want more than just the report.
Adriana, after the docket, what I'll do is I'll call you.
okay, perfect.
All
Thank
right.
you.
So just call Freeman's office and you'll answer, or?
Yes, and March 3rd, yes, and March 3rd is fine.
Okay,
8:50.
8:50. All right, then we'll do March 3rd, 8:50. Then I won't be calling you.
And you won't be calling me?
Nope.
You don't want to talk to me anymore? Okay.
Thank you.
so much. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, and I forwarded that to, what's her name here? Madison
Sorry, Jim.
Pensick.
Okay,
Pensnick.
perfect. Thank you so
Ms.
much.
Picciarelli, if
Yes.
you want more discovery after you get what Mr. Mena sends you,
Okay,
then send an order, email to Jim, email to Heather. As long as Jim has no problem with it, I'll sign it and get it back to you.
all right. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You as well. Everyone have a great day. Thank you.
You too, thanks.
Yes.
Judge,
Hey, Jim, go ahead.
sorry, I brought in Mr. Cameron Bell with Mr. Collins whenever we're done talking about what we're going to talk about.
All right. Counsel, your appearance for Collins.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cameron Bell on behalf of Mr. Collins, who appears via Zoom. No objections.
All right. This is Christopher Collins, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning.
Good
Ms.
morning.
Manarino, this one's yours, correct?
Your Honor.
And do we need a breakout room so the attorneys can talk? Where are we at?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to speak with Ms. Man Marino in a breakout room,
All right,
please.
we'll put you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you.
Hey, Heather, you want to bring Miss Bohr in so Mr. Menon and I can see if we can help her out?
She hasn't signed in yet, Judge.
Oh, okay. Huh.
Mm-hmm. I can bring in Robert Gordon. Or, I'm going to bring in Mr. Bernstein, see who he's appearing for, because I don't have his name.
Okay.
Leanna, are you standing in for Sam on Candace Jimenez?
He did not text me and ask me to. I can send him a text and see if he needs me to.
Okay, please, because she's already
Good
here.
morning, Leanna.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Bernstein, what case are you here on, please?
I'm here for Terrence Dixon. I'm a little bit early, but I got a mess of Zooms this morning. I was hoping to maybe could sneak in.
You sure can, but we don't have Mr. Dixon.
That'll make it hard to sneak in, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see where Mr. Dixon is, and I appreciate it, and I will get back to you right away.
All right, just mute yourself and we'll keep you where you're at.
Thank you.
Well, how radical is that? Instead of just showing up an hour late, he shows up an hour early. To try to take
That's
care of
right.
business.
I brought in Mr. Gordon. He's connected.
Good morning, Mr. Gordon.
Good morning, Dr.
Mr. Gordon, I've got a file from August 20, 2021, checkpoint violation at the airport. This is a misdemeanor, carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand the charge, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right. So the prosecutor has made an offer on this file. If you plead guilty to the charge, it would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is you stay out of trouble for 3 months, no new criminal offenses. You pay whatever court costs are assessed. At the end of 3 months, the matter would be dismissed. If the item seized was a firearm, you can petition for the return of that firearm after 3 months. And if it was not a firearm, as part of this plea, you're forfeiting it to the police department for destruction. You understand the offer that's been made by Mr. Mena, the prosecutor?
Yes, I do.
Did I give you enough information to make a decision today?
Yes.
Are you prepared to go forward without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
Without an attorney.
What's your decision, Mr. Gordon?
Guilty.
All right, on August 2021, did you find yourself at a secure area in Detroit Metro Airport?
Yes, I is.
And did you have something in your possession at that checkpoint that you should not have had there?
Yes, I did.
All right, and what was that, sir?
Well, it was my cousin's electronic stunt gun or whatever that I took off the table because the kids. Yeah, kids were. I was doing a birthday party with him, cooking, and it started raining. So I grabbed the kids were playing with it. And I grabbed it when they left out of the gazebo and put it in my bag, and I forgot it because I got cigars and lighters and stuff in there. And when I went to go to California for a class reunion the following month, I took all my lighters off because I can't, you can't take lighters on the plane.
Sure.
And when I reached out in the back, I didn't feel it down in there because I got 2 bags of cigars in there. And when they went through, when I took it out of my backpack and put it through the screener, they found that down at the bottom of it, which I overlooked. And I was planning on giving it back to him, but I hadn't been back to Chicago in a while. And that's where I was when I picked it up off the table when the kids were playing with it.
Okay, I can accept your plea based on that. We've got your address on North Verlinden, is that correct?
Correct.
755-6072, your valid phone number?
Correct.
Thank you. All right, I have accepted your plea. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of sentence?
No, it's agreeable.
All right, I'm going to go along with the prosecutor. 3-month delayed sentence. Court costs are assessed amount of $400. Fines and costs are due within 5 days. If you can't make that happen, go to our website. Check out your options under the Contact Us tab. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hey, Heather.
Yes.
I just talked to Mariah about this last week and I've already forgotten it. There's a code they're using downstairs for that.
It's
you know,
pay
5
5. Yep, we created
Pay
it.
5?
Yep.
Yes. So I'll just do P5 from now on. Okay.
Yep, thank you.
Ms. Manarino, are you ready on anything?
Your Honor, we are ready on Collins.
Mr. Bell, what's your pleasure?
Yes, Your Honor, after speaking with the prosecutor in this matter, I believe that we are going to be able to resolve this. Mr. Collins has a pending matter in the Frank Murphy in which he has an offer on the table for HIDA with a 2-year probation and no upfront jail time. So after speaking with the prosecutor in this matter, I believe that if my client decides to move forward with that offer, that we should be able to come back to the court here and be able to resolve it here with, I think, a similar type of plea under HIDA if everything kind of plays out that way, which I'm thinking that it may. So in light of that, Your Honor, we would be requesting an adjournment and probably sometime in March. The next hearing for his circuit court case is February 18th. So sometime in March is probably preferred.
Heather, help me out.
March 3rd or March 17th.
I'm good for March 3rd.
Which court was
8:30
that,
all the way to
Heather?
8:30 all the way to 10:30. And that's you, Judge.
Thank you. Counsel, you want to just set it at 8:30?
That's no problem, Judge.
Mr. Collins, this is working for you?
Yes, sir, that works.
Bonds continued. Good luck downtown.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
I
Judge.
appreciate it.
Good day, gentlemen.
I brought in Mr. Dixon, Mr. Bernstein's client.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Bernstein. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Dixon, who is logging into Zoom right now.
And do you need to speak to Ms. Manarino, counsel?
I can, Your Honor. I was just going to ask for an adjournment today so I get a copy of the police report. I don't have any information about anything. So I was hoping for an adjournment for whatever the court deems appropriate. And do I need a discovery order from the court to get discovery or no? Okay. Ms.
No, I
Manarino
don't
is
have an
shaking her head.
objection. Yeah, I don't have an objection to the adjournment, Your Honor, and I will have a copy of the report sent over to Mr. Bernstein.
Thank you.
Mr. Bernstein, are you available next week, 26th?
Could we do the following week, Your Honor?
2, 3?
That works well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hello.
About 9 a.m.?
Perfect.
Mr. Dixon, I've got your address on Nash Avenue. Is that correct?
Yes,
Give me a phone number, please.
734-945-2586.
2586?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Dixon, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. Couple of conditions. Number 1, you just generally stay out of trouble. Number 2, cooperate with your attorney so we can accomplish something on February 3rd. And number 3, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription for the substance. Understood?
Yes,
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up?
yes.
All right, anything else, Mr. Bernstein?
No, Your Honor. Thank you for letting us go early today.
No problem. Good luck with your morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
Judge, I brought in Candace Jimenez and Mr. Jadala.
Good morning, Mr. Jadala.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your appearance, please.
Respectfully, Your Honor, Sam Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Ms. Jimenez.
And we adjourn this from September. What do we got?
Your Honor, after discussing this matter with the school, the people are going to move to dismiss.
Your Honor, we have no
I'm
objection.
assuming that's all right with the defense?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, this is dismissed. Enjoy your day, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, guys.
You as well,
You
Samir.
too. Thanks, Sam.
Are we done with Mr. Bernstein? Did I miss something? No, okay. I'm bringing in Miss Baber. She's at 9 a.m.
She's mine, Heather.
Did you need to speak to her or one of the prosecutors?
No, I spoke to Angela about this yesterday. We just need a brief adjournment so I can get the report and review it with her.
All right.
Next week, all right, Leanna?
Let me look. On Thursday, Your Honor, of next week?
26th, right?
Wednesday.
Oh, I can do Wednesday.
Wednesday. All right, how about 9:20?
That's fine.
And would you confirm address and phone for us like you usually do?
Yes, sir. I will send it to Heather.
And thank you. Ms. Baber, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
All right, you're okay with that adjournment for the next week date, January 26th?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond with a couple of conditions. Number one, stay out of trouble. Number two, cooperate with Ms. Belcher so we can have a meaningful court date next week. And number three, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Do you understand those terms?
Yes, I do.
Ma'am, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up that bond?
Yes.
All right, ladies, enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Leanna, is there anybody else that you need adjournments for that we can just take care of now?
That's my only one that was pre-assigned, I believe.
Okay.
Heather?
Sorry, Leanna, what'd you say? I'm bringing somebody in.
I meant to tell you, Marquita Daniels is also mine, but I need to renegotiate with Jim. And I know he's very excited about that.
Okay, yep, I'm bringing her in right now. So I will put you and Mr. Mena in the breakout room.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Judge, I'm bringing in Jonathan Paul. It's Stover, Stover's attorney. I'm going to ask.
We'll need a breakout room on that one, Heather.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room right now.
Thank you, Heather.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Angela, can you go back in that room 1 that you were in?
Yep.
Thank you.
Heather, I'm not finding Daniels on the docket.
9:10.
Oh, there it is. Yep, thank you. We never got Ms. Moore, did we?
Nope.
Hello.
Marguerite, Miss Daniels, are you able to join by camera, please?
Actually, I am.
Thank you. All
I'm
right.
sorry.
Nope, that's fine. The attorneys are in a breakout room right now. So if you just want to mute yourself, it'll just be a few minutes, okay?
All righty then. Thank you.
Thank you.
August 11th, 1988.
Heather, can you put me in with Miss Daniels now?
I will.
Thank you.
Heather,
Yes,
is Miss Stover in the breakout room?
she is.
Can you send her, I'm sorry, in the waiting room, can you send
Yep,
her
I
to the
know.
breakout room with Mr. Paul?
I will. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Mohammed, what are you here for, please?
Hi, I'm here on CK Property Group. Do you want the case number?
Yeah.
It is 21R007886.
All right, you're in the wrong room. You need to be, let's see. That's with Judge Martin.
Oh, okay.
You ready for her Zoom ID?
Can I jump on with the link on the website?
You sure can.
Okay, I'll just do that.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks. Mhm.
It brought me right back to you.
Yes, we're in the main session. We're just waiting for the judge now, okay?
Oh, okay.
It'll just be a few minutes. I'm waiting until the other ones come out of the breakout room also so that we can do them together.
Thank you, Heather.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Leanna,
Yes, ma'am.
this new part-time position, is it going to take you away from us as house counsel?
No, I'm still gonna sign up. So I put in 20 hours a week or up to 20 hours a week doing the position, and it's
Okay.
some of it's in the afternoon or whenever I have free time or in the evenings. Some of it I can do remotely. So it just depends on what my weekly schedule looks like. And then I fit some hours into the office where I can.
Oh, okay. I was glad to hear that we were not losing you.
Yeah, no, you're not losing me. I don't know
Good.
if I'll scale back a little bit.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes, but my plan is to still be in the courtroom and still, handle cases. But if you ever have issues or problems, I'll be assisting Teresa with all of the reporting and the scheduling
Oh,
and
nice.
the roster for your court.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Paul, are you ready or did you need an adjournment?
Oh, we are ready to resolve. Yes, I worked everything out with Angela, talked to my client, and whenever the judge is ready, we're good to go.
All right, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appearances on Stover, please.
Angela Mannering on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jonathan Paul on behalf of my client. Always good to see you, Your Honor. How are you?
Good morning. Fine, fine. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, I had a good conversation with the prosecutor. I'll allow her to put the offer on the record. We're ultimately going to accept that. So go ahead, Angela.
Yep, Your Honor, as to the contributing charge, the people would move to dismiss that. As to the allowing the suspended person to operate, we would amend that to the civil infraction of allowing a minor to drive. And as to the interference charge, the offer is 771 for 6 months.
Yes, Your Honor, that's my understanding as well. I did talk to Ms. Stover about that. She would like to go forward with that today, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Stover, you understand the possible penalty for the charge interfering with a police officer?
Yes, sir.
And you've discussed your rights with counsel. You understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge?
Yes.
And you're also pleading responsible to, no, I'm sorry, you're pleading responsible to allowing a minor to operate a vehicle, correct?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty to interfering with a police officer?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, why don't you take me through the facts, do some voir dire so I can get the facts I need.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Stover, taking you back to November 20th of 2021, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes, I was.
And without giving a specific name, because it is a minor, did you allow a minor to operate your vehicle?
Yes, I did.
On that same date, did you have an interaction with the police department?
Yes, I did.
At some point during that conversation, were you uncooperative about an incident that occurred?
Yes, I wasn't cooperative.
And did you in some way interfere with their ability to perform their duties?
Yes.
Angela, is that sufficient?
I'm satisfied.
Thank you. I'll accept the plea of the civil infraction and the plea to the misdemeanor interfering with police. Ma'am, your address on Barnwell, correct?
Correct.
Phone number, please.
310-721-5442.
Thank you. Counsel, what should I know before I set terms of sentence?
Your Honor, Ms. Stover has no prior criminal history. She is a teacher. From speaking with her, this case has been a valuable learning experience. We'd asked the court to put her on a short-term of probation. Myself and the prosecutor discussed the possibility of 6 months being an appropriate sentence. If Your Honor agrees, we'd ask the court to do a non-reporting probation. Ms. Stover did ask me if she can travel during probation. I did tell her that the court is quite flexible and would allow that. We'd ask the court to consider non-reporting probation. She'll pay her fines and costs. If she does behave herself, we may ask the court for an early discharge, but at this point, 6 months seems sufficient.
All right, thank you. Ms. Stover, anything you want to add?
No, Your Honor. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. On the civil infraction, fines and costs $180. On the misdemeanor, I'll delay sentence for 6 months. Travel's fine. Ms. Stover, all you need to do is stay out of trouble. So no new criminal offenses. Court costs on that one, $500. So the total is $680. Fines and costs are payable within 5 days. If that's an issue, go to our website, check us out at the Contact Us tab, and there's some other options available. Any questions?
No questions at this time, Your Honor.
Mr. Paul, we're all good?
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you put me in a breakout room with Ms. Stover for just 2 minutes so I can just recap with her and then we'll be all set? Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Angela.
Heather can make that happen.
You're welcome.
Can you guys join that breakout room that you were just in?
Yes, thank you so much, Heather, for your help today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So you're going to go to breakout room on the bottom. You got it.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Miss Margarita Daniels with Leanna.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Belcher. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leanna Belcher on behalf of Ms. Daniels. Ms. Daniels, can you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
You're welcome. It's Marquita.
And state your
Good
last
morning,
name, ma'am.
Marquita Daniels.
Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, we waive formal reading and stand mute. I did have an opportunity to meet with Mr. Mena this morning. He's going to offer my client a civil infraction of double parking. And I did want to allocute on her behalf before Your Honor imposes fines. I know Mr. Mena wanted it to be $400, but I think Your Honor will want to hear about my client's financial situation.
I will accept the responsible plea as soon as I find the appropriate rubber stamp. But in the meantime, go ahead and allocute.
Your Honor, my client is on disability. She collects $625 per month. That is for her and her 2 children. She has almost $300 in rent out of that, and they are garnishing a significant portion because she owed, I believe she said, around $14,000 to the state. Your Honor, she did say that she would be interested if Your Honor would allow her and maybe doing some community service. I don't know with her disability what that would prohibit her from doing. She lives in Washtenaw County, and I told her it would be acceptable as long as it's a nonprofit.
Sure. All right, Ms. Daniels, anything else before I set the terms of sentence?
Not really. I mean, this is my first time ever being in trouble. I didn't even know I had it I didn't know I had a knife in my purse when I went to go check in for work.
Okay.
I do have 2 small children. I did remember the last time it was in my lockbox. How it got in my purse, I don't know. I'm a single mother. I live alone, so I'm always moving. But I do remember cleaning out my purse before I went to work, and I didn't see it. So I'm just trying to figure out. So that's pretty much all that I really got to say. I didn't know it was in there, but like I said, I'm taking responsibility for it because it was found on me. I'm not going to say it wasn't because it was. I mean, I had my badge taken, hoping I can go back to work because I got to make some type of living to support my 2 kids, you know. So
where were you working? Or who were you working for, I should say? Who were you working for?
I was working for New Image Building Solutions, a cleaning service at the airport. So this court date determines if I go back to work.
How's that work, Ms. Belcher?
Huh?
I think the concern would be if she had a misdemeanor that may prohibit her from having clearances, but we're resolving it with a civil infraction that's non-abstractable. So I think that she should be okay.
Yeah, I would think so. Well, good luck with that, Ms. Daniels.
Thank you.
All right, so you're welcome. I am going to do a delayed sentence for 6 months. Was it 6 months, the agreement?
It's a civil infraction, Your Honor, with just a fine.
That's right. The people were requesting $400 on the double parking?
That is correct, and the knife will be destroyed, and I explained that to my client as well.
Thank you. And I'm assuming you confirmed contact info for your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Daniels, I am going to assess $400 court costs, but I'm going to give you the option. It's $400 court costs, or you can do 26 hours of community service. Ms. Belcher is correct. Washtenaw County's fine.
Okay.
Just hook up with some nonprofit charity or more than one. You can do a combination of more than one charity to add up your hours.
Okay.
I'll give you until March 1st to complete those hours.
Okay.
Ms. Belcher's number, so if you're having any issues, you can get her involved and she can help resolve things.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
I'm confused.
I have Tiffany Blair.
Okay. You want to bring that iPhone in and figure out who they are?
Sure. Miss Blair, can you turn on your video, please? Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Blair.
Good morning.
Ms. Blair, I've got a file here from September 6th, 2021. The charge is defraud an innkeeper. The possible penalty for that charge is up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The prosecutor has made an offer. If you plead guilty to this charge, you'll be ordered to pay restitution to standard parking in the amount of $78. You'll be ordered to stay out of trouble for 3 months. That means no more criminal offenses, and I'll assess some court costs. If you pay the court costs and the restitution and stay out of trouble for 3 months, then at the end of 3 months, this charge would be dismissed. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
Are you prepared today to go forward without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I'm prepared to go forward without an attorney.
Are you able to make a decision based on the information I've already provided?
Yes.
And what is your decision?
I'd like to move forward.
Are you going to take the deal from the prosecutor?
Yes.
All right, on September 6, 21, did you park at a standard parking location at the airport?
I wouldn't say it was standard, but yes. It was like a long.
The name of the company that runs that parking area is Standard Parking.
Oh, okay. Yes. Sorry.
Okay, and that's at Metro Airport, correct?
That's correct.
All right, and did you take your car out of that lot without paying the $78 of fee?
Yes.
Mr. Mena, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Blair, we're showing your address on Chapel Street, is that right?
That's correct.
Phone number 417-4940.
Area code 248. Yes.
Is there anything else you would like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No.
All right, I will go along with the recommendation for Mr. Mena for 3-month delayed sentence. Court costs are assessed the amount of $400. Restitution is assessed in the amount of $78. So the total is $478. That money is due within 5 days. If that's an issue, go to our website under the Contact Us tab, and you'll see some other options available to you online. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
I'm going to put the iPhone back in the waiting room and hopefully they'll try and work on it. I've chatted them multiple times.
Thanks.
Mr. Burgess, do you have your client with you?
I do not. Is he not on?
No.
Okay, let me text him and check. I thought he was on.
Do you need to speak to Miss Manarino also?
Yes, I do.
All right, I'll put
Yes,
you in a
thank
breakout room.
Am I going back to mine, Heather?
No, because Mr. Paul is still in there.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
move you to another one.
Hey, Jim, I've got a phone number for Miss Moore. I'm going to try to call her and see if we can get her on.
Okay.
Michelle spoke to her today and early today and told her our Zoom number, but we didn't get her in.
Hi, the person on the iPhone, what is your name, please?
Pamela Moore.
Pamela Moore?
Mhm.
All right, if you can turn your your video on too, please.
Turn it on.
Yeah, so that we can see you. Turn on your camera. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss Moore.
Hi.
Miss Moore, I have 2 files here with your name on them.
Yes,
Both
sir.
from November 13, 2021. One is defraud an innkeeper and the other is disorderly person. Each of these files carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs. Each of these charges has a possible jail time of up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand the charges?
Yep.
The prosecutor's made an offer on this file. If you plead guilty to defraud an innkeeper, the prosecutor is asking me to dismiss the disorderly person charge. The defraud an innkeeper charge would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence.
What
that
is
means is for, I'm sorry?
Okay. I said, okay, I'm listening, sir.
What a delayed sentence means is for 3 months, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. You'd be ordered to pay some court costs and restitution of $105 to Gary McJennett. As long as you complied with the terms, then at the end of 3 months, that charge would be dismissed, so that would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Do you understand the offer presented by the prosecutor?
Yes.
Are you prepared today to go forward without an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I would like to, you saying, what it was the charge? I didn't understand, sir. You said
Two
defrauding
charges.
who? Defrauding
Two
who?
charges. One charge is disorderly person. The other charge is defrauding an innkeeper. So basically what that means is somebody that's in the business of providing a service or product. So for example, if you ate, you went to Big Boy, you ate your meal and you ran out without paying, that would be defrauding an innkeeper. If you park in a parking structure and you leave without paying, that could be defrauding an innkeeper. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So the question is, are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I just would like to talk to one because I did pay
Okay.
him and you're saying I defrauded him.
All right, I'm telling you what you're charged with. I don't know what happened. I wasn't there.
Okay.
So I'm going to let you talk to the attorney. Her name is Miss Belcher. We're going to put you into a breakout room with her so you can have a private conversation. Miss Belcher, did you hear the plea agreement?
Yes,
Plea
Your Honor.
offer?
I'm ready.
All right, we'll put you in a breakout room with Miss Moore.
Leanna, can you go back in that room you were in, room 6?
Yes, I'm going in now.
Thank you. I think tone time is going to be our Antonio Robertson. Hi, tone time 88. What is your real name, please?
Antonio Robertson.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Roberson.
Good morning.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Roberson.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Burgess on behalf of Antonio Robertson.
Where are we at with this one, Mr. Burgess?
I just spoke with Miss Manarino, Your Honor. We're just asking for a new date. We're still going back and forth with some plea negotiations. So she suggested I just get a new date from you. She said there's dates in March, I guess.
March 3rd and March 17th, Judge.
Patty's Day works for me, Your Honor. 17th, sorry, Judge.
9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond is continued on all 3 files.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
We're green. Heather, I'm gonna go watch some conference. Let me know what's going on.
All right. Leanna, you're ready?
Yes.
Okay, it'll be just a minute.
Ms. Belcher, your appearance for Ms. Moore, please.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Ms. Moore, Your Honor. Ms. Moore, will you please state your name again for the record?
Pamela Denise Moore.
Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, we waive formal reading and stand mute. We are requesting an adjournment, Your Honor. My client's indicated that there are some receipts that she can provide to me. Mr. Mena is interested in seeing those receipts, and if I do produce them, we can work this out with the dismissal.
Okay, and you've confirmed address and phone number, so forth?
Yes, Your Honor, that's been sent to Heather in the chat.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on both of these files. And how far out do we need to go?
Your Honor, could we have a little further than a week, just because my client does have to go and get them from her home and find a way to get them to me, so I don't know if she'll have access to a scanner.
Sure, February 3, February 17.
Can we do the 17th, Your Honor?
Absolutely. How about, Ms. Moore, how about 9 o'clock?
That's fine, sir.
All right. Keep in contact with Ms. Belcher.
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. Would you raise your right hand for me? Ma'am, do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $500 on each of these files for a total of $1,000 if you violate bond? You're agreeing to cooperate with Ms. Belcher and stay out of trouble.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions, ladies?
No, Your Honor, not from me. Ms. Moore, you
Enjoy
don't
your
have.
day, Ms. Moore.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, we have Aaron Frierson-Jones at 8:40.
Yeah, but it's 9:40. Are you connected?
Yeah, I'm here.
Jones, where you been?
I woke up late and now I'm taking my son to school late too, so I was just late altogether today.
I've got a file from September 28, 2020 to contribute to delinquency of a minor. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And Ms. Manarino, what's the
Yes,
offer
Judge.
on this one, if any, please?
771 for 6 months.
All right. Mr. Jones, the prosecutors made the offer. If you plead guilty to this charge, it would be taken under a delayed sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs would be assessed. As long as you stay out of trouble and pay the court costs, then this would be dismissed at the end of 6 months. It would not stay on your record as a permanent criminal conviction. Do you understand that? Mr. Jones, do you understand the offer?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to go forward today without an attorney? Are you driving?
Huh?
Pull your ass over and park.
Okay. I just said I was on my taking my son to school. I was late taking my son to school. But I could park for a second.
You're committing a civil infraction in full view of the court, the prosecutor for the venue, and the world. Are you parked?
Yes, I apologize. I'm parked.
All right. Do you understand the offer that's been presented?
Yes, I do.
Are you prepared to go forward today without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I'm prepared to go forward without an attorney.
What would you like to do?
Plead guilty.
All right, tell me what was going on September 28, 2020 that makes you think you're guilty of the charge.
I don't recall the day, to be honest.
Ms. Manarino, could you provide any facts that might trigger a memory?
Yes, Your Honor. And Mr. Jones, last year, your son Andre was a student at Tyler Elementary. Did he have some attendance issues, including 10 missed days of school and 31 tardies?
Yes. Oh, yeah, okay.
Satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Manarino?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Why was your son having so many tardies and absences?
Because we moved away from this. Well, I don't really have an excuse. He shouldn't have been late that many times, but we just moved further away from the school. And I had to leave work early to come home to take him to school. So it resulted in me being late all the time.
All right. Your address is on Geraldine. That a good
I
address?
work thirds. Yes. Because I work thirds, but I get off, have to be taking him to, I got to get him, he got to be at school at 8. So I used to have to try to get off early every day.
Phone number 301-8395.
734, yes.
Where do you work at?
FedEx, and Celine's FedEx ground.
How many hours are you getting a week?
30.
How old's your son?
He's 7, it's gonna be 8 next month.
Any more kids?
Yes, I got a 3-year-old. It's gonna be 4 next month.
Okay. All right, so the way this works is I'm going to delay sentence for 6 months. No further attendance issues and no other criminal charges. You're in good shape. If you're having problems getting the kid to school on time, you need to contact our probation officer here at the court. Her name is Christine Oswald. Talk to her and see if she can help you with some resources. But if your son continues to have absentee or tardy problems for the next 6 months, then there's going to be a penalty. At this point, I'm not assessing any court costs or any penalty. We need to get your son's school schedule on track so he's in school every day he's supposed to be there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, that's all.
All right. Good luck. Heather, what do you got?
That's it for now, Judge.
All right, folks, I will be back. I'm watching an absolutely scintillating presentation on a webinar.
Have fun.
Hello.
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 Hi, Judge.
So I'm pulling the plug so I can get into these breakout sessions in this conference on Zoom. And the following people are going into the bench warrant stack: Crosley, Jackson, Light, Mintz, and Robertson. We got that?
Got it.
Got it.
All right. Thank you all. Enjoy your day.
You
Have a
too.
good
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks,
You as
everyone.
well.
Thanks.